Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I am going to show you the email from IRCC as received by one of my subscribers whose COPR was expired and she could not travel due to current travel restrictions and various other factors due to COVID-19. So IRCC has reached out to them and she has been asked like if she is ready to travel now, and she has also been offered to extend the medical so that she can actually get the authorization to come in. So first of all, thanks to her for sharing this with me. I have made some modification here, like I have removed the application number and her name in order to protect her privacy, because whenever I share something like this, the privacy of my subscriber is equally important as it is for me, and I always take permission for doing such things. Alright, so the email says, are you able to travel to Canada soon? Please reply to this email within 10 days if you are able to travel to Canada soon and meet the conditions below. Now let's go through it. So this was sent on January 19, 2021. Application number I have removed. It was with E because it had for express entry. Dear client, it was her name. Our records at IRCC indicate that your permanent residence application was approved. The date of issue of the confirmation of permanent residence COPR document that was sent to you and your family members if applicable is on or before March 18. You and your family member if applicable have not used your COPR to enter Canada. The validity date of your COPR has passed and your document has therefore expired. Based on your specific case details and as an exceptional response to COVID-19, IRCC was able to extend your medical exam validity. Your medical now expire on June 30, 2021. IRCC wants to confirm that you still want to travel to Canada to become a new permanent resident. Please note that IRCC is not asking you to purchase a plane ticket. Okay, now let's go to the page 2. You are ready, willing and able to travel before the current expiry date of your medical exam, in your case June 30, 2021. This validity may not be further extended without you redoing all immigration medical exam and covering the cost for them. Okay, you are ready, willing and able to travel to Canada on a valid passport by June 30, 2021. There are no COVID restrictions to prevent you from leaving your country. There is a travel route with 0 or 1 transfer that you can use to get to Canada, and that is currently operating. Lot of restrictions and lot of conditions. Your plan is to stay in Canada permanently. You are able to arrange and cover the cost to quarantine for 14 days upon arrival in Canada. Okay. If you fulfill all the conditions above, please reply to this email at within 10 days and answer the questions using the response letter template below to help us better understand your situation. Please respond to this email only if you are sure that you could travel to Canada soon. Please note that new travel documents are issued to you. If the new to you, IRCC will send you a letter that will be valid for up to 60 days but not exceeding your medical or passport validity, and it may not be possible for IRCC to issue you another extension. IRCC will endeavor to respond to you within 4 weeks. Sincerely, IRCC. Okay, so yeah, good information, and this would definitely help a lot of you guys. So let's see how it goes from here. So I wish she manages to get in and her Canadian dream comes true, although this is not the time to travel, but this is a life decision, so this is altogether a different case. Thanks for watching this, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always free to ask. Thank you, guys.